what's holding back widespread adoption of Web3. In recent years, the Web3 ecosystem has exploded with innovation from cryptocurrency to NFTs to blockchain-based financial services. But despite the trillion-dollar impact of these developments, user adoption rates remain disproportionately low. Why is this the case? And more, because the answer lies in chain fragmentation. With over 1,000 distinct blockchains in operation and countless more on the horizon, users are faced with a daunting array of choices and challenges. Manually switching between networks, keeping track of assets and gas tokens, and learning the unique rules and functionalities of each blockchain can be confusing and frustrating. But the burden of chain fragmentation doesn't just fall on users. Developers, too, are struggling to keep up with the exponential rate of chain proliferation. Instead of focusing on value, adding innovation, they're forced to spend their time building insecure, inefficient, and inelegant cross-chain messaging solutions. And so how can we alleviate these user experience problems and give developers the time and resources they need to innovate? The answer lies in chain abstraction. By abstracting away to the fragmented chains, developers could build a single instance of their app on the chain of their choosing and attract users across any chain without interruption or inconvenience. Users, in turn, would not need to worry about which chain an app was built on, or whether their assets and gas tokens are compatible. Of course, building a functionally abstracted Web3 ecosystem is no small feat. It would require unifying and aggregating user balances across all chains, as well as eliminating the need of their function for complex integrations to facilitate cross-chain accessibility. But with the right ecosystem-wide effort, it's a challenge we can overcome. And in the end, it's up to us to ensure that the visionary work of Web3 architects and innovators who seize the acclaim, appreciation, and utilization it deserves. And with tracking its abstraction, we can unlock the full potential of Web3 and bring mainstream adoption within reach. With that said, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on the ever-evolving world of Web3. And remember, just because we can't see the chains doesn't mean that they're not there. It's all about abstraction.